The first question you should ask yourself before creating a channel is, what settings should my channel have for best channel optimization? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a channel and show you the exact settings that you need to get the most out of your channel right now. Hi, my name is Adrien Dikumana, and on this channel, I'm all about helping you grow your understanding of software development and YouTube as a social platform. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking this big red button right here. And don't forget to check in the description below for more resources on today's video. If you don't already know, YouTube is one of the biggest search engines in the whole world, which explains why everyone from big companies to your average Joe like me want to be on YouTube. With so many YouTube channels out there, having the right settings can put you in the right starting position for more views and subscribers and higher traffic, which contributes to your channel success. Alright, so if you don't have a channel already, how do you create one? To create a channel, head over to YouTube and click sign in. From there, you can log in using an existing Google account. If you don't have one, don't worry. Just click on create account and you can choose to create a personal account or a business account. After signing in on YouTube using an existing account or the newly created account, click on profile, then click on create a channel. You will be presented with the Get Started window. Click on the Get Started. On the next window, you will choose whether you want to create your channel as a personal channel or as a brand channel. Keep in mind that a personal channel doesn't allow much flexibility as it will be tied solely on your Google account. But the brand channel will allow you to change the channel name at any time and add custom profile images, and also allows you to share the channel with someone else as a collaboration. For this demo, we will choose the brand option as it is a better option. On the next window, we need to enter the channel name. Make sure the name of the channel is relevant to the type of content you are planning to upload. Also, make sure the name is as unique as possible, because having the same name as the other YouTubers will affect you negatively. Now click on the check mark that you understand the conditions, then click on create. On the next window, we need to upload a profile picture and add a channel description. Make sure your profile is nice and clear. In your channel description, make sure to add as many keywords as possible relating to the type of videos you plan to upload. You can also add links to your social media so that viewers can see and follow you on other platforms as well. Now hit save and continue at the bottom of the page. So up to this point, we have the very basic setup done. However, there are some crucial steps to take before uploading your first video. First, you need to verify your channel so that you can unlock certain features. For example, without verification, you cannot upload any video longer than 15 minutes. Also, you cannot upload a custom thumbnail to your videos. So to verify your channel, click on Profile, then Settings. From there, click on Channel Status and Features. This will open up a new window inside YouTube Studio. Now, the new YouTube Studio hosts most of all channel settings, and it is absolutely beautiful. You can click anywhere if you see this Learn More screen to skip it. Now you should see that the feature eligibility highlights the default features as enabled. However, you need to unlock the rest of the features as well. So expand the features that require phone verification. Then click on Verify Phone Number. The verification process requires you to enter the country where you reside. I live in Canada, so I would choose Canada. then you need to select whether you can receive a phone call or a text as verification. Let's choose text verification as it's easier. Enter your phone number and then click on Submit. On the next screen, enter the verification code that was just sent to you and then click Submit. You will see a validation that your channel is now verified. Now go back to your earlier window on YouTube Studio and you should see that the other features are also enabled. Click on Close to close the window. Now, if you click on Profile, then your channel, you will see that our channel is very plain and it doesn't really look good. So let's click on Customize Channel to add a couple things. This will take us back to YouTube Studio under Customization. From here, we can add the layout on our channel page. However, let's skip this as we don't have any videos uploaded yet. Now, click on Branding. In branding, that's where we add the look and feel of our channel. Notice you can also change or remove the profile from here. Also, you need to add a banner image. This is also known as a channel alt. You can also upload a video watermark that will be displayed on each video you create. Make sure you pay attention on the image sizes that YouTube requires. Otherwise, you won't be able to upload the images. Now, click on Publish to save your changes. And remember, your channel alt acts as a billboard for anyone visiting your channel. So make sure you create an attractive banner for your channel. If you don't know how to create one, you can hire someone on Fiverr.com, and I will put a link in the description below. Or you can get a friend to design one for you. Okay, now that we have the look and feel of the channel, we need to add other settings relating to how videos will be uploaded. You can click on Manage Videos or click on Profile and then YouTube Studio to go back to the YouTube Studio. Before going to the video settings, there are some other basic information that you can add for your channel page, such as the language of your channel and translation if that's something you want to add. You also need to add the contact info, which is an email that people can contact you on if that's something you are interested in. Common usage, for example, is when other companies want to reach out to you for marketing affiliates. Okay, now click on Settings towards the bottom of the page. From here, you will see the same window we saw earlier, but there are some settings that we need to set as well. First, you can set the currency default units. This is used for when your channel is finally monetized. Under channel, add the country where you live. Next, add keywords for your channel. These are very important. You have to enter keywords that are relevant to the content you will be uploading. After you are done, click on Advanced Settings. From here, we need to specify the audience. This is a new rule that you have to specify whether the videos you are uploading are made for kids. You can set this as a global setting, or you can choose to set this when you upload a video. I will set it as a global setting here so that you don't have to do it for each video. You can also link your Google Ads account here if you already have one. You can also set upload defaults for every video that you post. This could be a title or a description, and this will be applied for every video that you upload on your channel. Under permissions, this is where you can give access to other people to access your channel. This is great for when you have multiple people working on one channel together. Okay, so that's all the settings. Now click on save. All right, now your channel is ready and you can start uploading your videos. Just come into YouTube Studio and hit create and then upload, and you are done. All right, so now that you have your channel created and all the settings are optimized, let me know in the comments what your channel name is and what type of content you are planning to upload. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button for the appreciation. And if you haven't done so, please make sure you subscribe to my channel for more great videos. It really makes a difference. I hope to see you in my next video, and as always, stay safe.